Hello and welcome to the highlights of match 13 of the Pakistan Junior League. Important encounter for Hyderabad Hunters and Gujranwala Giants.
A little bit leg side. Oh, it's got through the keeper as well. So there's bonus runs. Well, that's gone straight through. Straight through and screamed away for 4. Might have a finger on the ball as well. Pick that up. Not that much wrong with the ball, actually. It's just a wonderful, wonderful stroke. Oh, he's picked up that beautifully. That is a wonderful stroke, and that's gone one bounce for 4, right out of the screws.
Lifts that one, should be out. Oh, just over that fielder. For a moment, I thought he'll be in play. That's a boundary. Oh, he almost got himself stumped. I think he's got a bit of bat onto that. That's the deflection that saved him. Just beating point. Getting a boundary on the last ball of the power play. That has somewhat been ignored. He's made room for himself. Is it an opportunity? Got fingers to it. It's gone to the boundary for 4.
Batting. Really good shot there. Saad Beg, he looks good. Inside out for 4 runs.
Goes high. Too long off. And the catch is taken. And that's clever bowling too, a little bit of air. It's a very fine shot. Good connection. That's been worked on the leg side. Trump just sliding down. Got the treatment.
May look for 2. Oh, could be another run out. Could be another run out. Terrible running. What are you doing? How many times have we seen this throughout this competition?
He's got that through, and that's going to go for 4. That's what they're going to need. Boundaries early in the over, just to try and put a little bit of pressure back on the bowler. It's a miss hit, and it's a wicket. So the skipper's done it again, brought himself back into the attack, and he's now picked up his 2nd stick.
You see that? He bowls that one wide. That's well done by the batter to get bat onto it, and he outstretched himself, Vasif. That's got to be out. That's got to be out unless there's a bat. No, it is not. Yes. Earns him a boundary. We call it a slog, but that was pretty much in control. Right through. He's disturbed all the timber there. This is hit middle. He spores the stumps and then he's played it straight into the hands of the fielder at fine leg. As if he was perfectly placed. He didn't have to move much. Oh, he's picked that up. That's got to go all the way. No, it's got to the hands. For a moment, I thought he's hit that well. In the air, should be out just over the hands of Uzair Mumtaz. Boundary. Through him. He's played that on to the stumps. Another one bites the dust. Outside edge. They'll complete 1. That's probably the maximum they'll get. So at the end of 20, it's 129 for 8 Hyderabad Hunters. So the target, 130 to win this match. Gujranwala Giants need to score this in 16.5 overs or less to keep their hopes alive in the tournament.
Full toss, punch down the ground. That's a good shot. That's driven for 4. It's a great start with the over. Oh, that's lovely. Very nicely played, and he's got full reward from it as well. Ah, there we go. That's what he was edging to do, and he's put that out of the playing arena for 6 runs. Oh, he's gone the other way this time. I think it's a little bit high. Oh, wow, there we go.
Lovely shot. A little bit leg side from Mohammed Zubair Jr. Nice looking shot. Lovely looking shot, this. It's what they've got to do. And when they've got to do is when they get an opportunity to get the boundary early on, take it, pressure on. Oh, dropped. Difficult chance that came back to him. He may have got a little paw on it. Thought it was. I knew they were looking for a boundary, and it's the big wicket of the captain, Uzair Mumtaz, who has wickets.
That's a good shot. Played it fine, played it late. It was inside edge, but he also played it quite late.
See, that's the idea. He moved across outside the line of the ball, and that's the area I was talking about. He's eyeing for that, and he's done well because the angle is being taken away from the left-hander, so he improvises. Brilliantly done. And again, he should get another boundary. This is a good over. The over probably they've been looking for. Yeah, that's his 50. He's coming back for the second, and he'll easily complete that. That's a knock that was needed for the Gujranwala Giants, but job's not done yet. 100 also up for the Gujranwala Giants. He has to finish the game in favor of his side, and he has to do it pretty quickly. Shot. That is maximum. You can just tell with the sound of the bat. And again, catch it is a call, but this might fly over him as well. No, it's landed. Good catch taken. Pressure catch. Yeah, I think it's all entirely up to Siobhan, and this can also help. Azaya Thorne has missed that completely.
Oh, that's a good connection. Has it picked out the fielder? He has picked him out. Swinging straight away. It's gone very high indeed. Has it gone far enough? It has. That's a lovely shot. He thought he was out. He'd actually turned around. He's walking towards the pavilion. Got that away. It's going to be a boundary. There it is. They have done it. The Giants have got up. They are delighted, of course, in the dugout and the changing area. Those two guys in the middle will be relieved also. Pressure was building up on them just a little bit.